Hello people, and for this video, we're going to show you how to change the language settings on RedNote. Now the steps are pretty similar for both iPhone and Android, so you don't have to worry if you're using a different device. I am personally using an Android device, and all we have to do is go down to the bottom right on Me, and then once again go to the settings, this gear icon on our right hand side. Otherwise, we can go up to the top left on the three lines icon and go to settings, go to general settings. Now we can see languages, and as you can see, we can select from 3. Maybe you have more options, but I am seeing 2 variations of Chinese and English. So of course, let's set it on English, and then it auto refreshes and you are good to go. It doesn't affect everything yet, but some of the titles and all of the interface is now in English. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.